Mexican-style Veal Milanese sandwich. Sponsored by Veal Discover Delicious. First, we make a marinade with egg and milk. Season with a pinch of salt or with any other seasoning of your choice. Add the veal to the marinade, cover, and rest inside the fridge. Mix the breadcrumbs with garlic powder, chicken bouillon, and black pepper. You will cover the cutlets in this breading mix. The breaded cutlets are freezer friendly when using fresh veal. I use vacuum sealing as the method of preservation inside the freezer. Use enough frying oil and test the temperature, adding some of the breadcrumbs. Then fry your cutlets until golden brown on both sides. For the best sandwiches or tortas, make sure the ingredients are warm. So include warm bread, use Mexican crema, warm refried beans, lettuce for the crunch. Then we add our warm milanesa, some avocado mash, tomatoes, crunchy onions, and sweet pickled chipotles. Are you ready to dig in? It's delicious!